every Wednesday and Saturday.
Mishawaka, Indiana. Since January 2, 1985, every military HMWV, the High Mobility Multipurpose Wheel.
The HMMWV was not designed at a desk. It was designed on a proving ground.
AM General beat Chrysler Defense and Teledyne Continental to win the HMWV contract. Not on paper, but
this new cross member here supports the additional weight of the Frag 7 armor kit.
And we've confirmed the mounting points align with the M1151A1 specifications.
The updated geometry deflects the IED blast energy away from the crew floor.
It's a 15% improvement over the previous design.
This is the unique system that positions the axle center line above the...
Everything checks out. The mill certs match the order. All right, thanks. Here is your copy.
The Humvee's body is built from heat-treated aerospace-grade aluminum, not steel.
Warehouse to floor supervisor. We have a discrepancy on the units short on pallet 42.
The HMMWV's chassis is a double-drop box steel frame. Its rails step down in the... Workers assemble the HMMWV's unique portal gear hubs from their component parts. The hub housing, the internal helical gear sets.
Close-up of the portal hub gear set, a pair of helical gears meshing inside the hub housing, offset from each other by 6 inches.
The portal hub is the single most important engineering feature that separates the HMMWV from every other military truck.
Align the splines carefully. Okay, seating it now. Grab the torque wrench.
remember, misaligned phasing causes vibration at road speed, so these marks must align perfectly.
The height is reading exactly 150 millimeters.
Perfect, right on specification.
The inboard disc brake installation. The rotors are mounted outboard of the differentials, inboard of the portal hub. Workers install the brake caliper.
The 6.5-liter Detroit diesel V8 produces 160 horsepower, less than a family minivan.
No drop. Cleared.
Steady, steady. All right, it's seated.
Torquing the bolts now. Sequence 1, 2, 3.
Everything aligned properly? Yes, sir. Torque to spec.
Excellent work. Keep it up.
alloys. The HMMWV's aluminum body panels undergo aerospace-grade heat treatment, the same process used on fighter jet fuel.
Workers degrease the mating surfaces of the floor pan and the side sill panels with an
tortures. The HMMWV's body mounts to its chassis on 6 isolated rubber mounts, not rigid bolts.
Service drive, check. Blackout marker engaged. And we have stop, tail, and turn indicators fully functional.
All right, checking isolation on the buses now.
We've got 12 volts on the tap and 24 on the main. Looks solid.
The coax cable is pulled through the grommet, and the antenna base is secured with 4 bolts.
Every HMMU wheel carries a run-flat insert, a dense rubber ring inside the tire that supports the vehicle even with 0 air pressure.
Check the alignment on this side.
Okay, adjusted.
Perfect. Bring the outer half.
The vehicle becomes a utility truck, capable of carrying 2,500 pounds or 8 troops.
Smooth rotation all the way around.
And the detent is secure. We are good to go.
There are more than 17 variants of the HMWV in U.S. military service, from basic cargo trucks to TOW missiles.
Workers install oxygen system outlets, medical lighting, and the NBC overpressure filter that protects patients in contaminated environments.
This is the up armor configuration line, where the M1114s receive their hardened steel and ballistic glass protection packages.
Bring it up just a fraction. Okay, hold it there. The pins are seated.
After Lafayette or Lafayette's. The M1114 door's multi-layer cross-section features an outer steel skin, a layer of energy-absorbing components.
The up-armored M1114 was the U.S. military's answer to IED threats in Iraq and Afghanistan. Its
Every military vehicle that leaves AM General is inspected to a standard that commercial automotive manufacturers do not approach.
The HMMWV fords 60 inches of water without preparation and 60 inches deeper with a fording kit.
Check the alignment against the TM, Private. That nomenclature has to be exact. Looks good, Sergeant. Vehicles destined for Army preposition stocks receive a preservation treatment. All rubber seals treated with preservative compound. All 14 vehicles are secured and verified, Deb. Fort Hood run is complete.
Excellent. Confirm for dispatch.
Keep coming, keep coming. Watch the wing. All right, you're good right there. Set the brake and kill the power.
Gunner, keep scanning that rooftop on the right.
Roger, scanning right.
Watch your step. Easy left side. Clear. Secure the straps.
Take the high ground to the left. We need to avoid that drift.
Copy. Turning left.
181,000 up.
The factory that has built more than 250,000 military trucks keeps its lights on.
Thanks for watching Manufacturing Hub. Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Like, share, and comment your thoughts below.